All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and code some words today, okay? So we started learning a new pattern. Remember, we learned that instead of having vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, sometimes we'll see that vowel, consonant, vowel, and we have to figure out where we're going to chop it after that, okay? So our first word, where are my vowels in that word? I've got two I's, that's right. But look, I only have one consonant between them. So I don't have that double consonant to split down the middle. So remember, what do? That's right, I usually divide it up after that first consonant. And now my first syllable has an I with nothing behind it, because remember we break it apart by syllables. So if it's an I and it doesn't have anything behind it, it is open, so it's going to be long. It's going to say I instead of saying I, okay? And then over here I have an I in front of an S, so it's going to be short. So this first syllable says I, cry, and then over here it says sis, so crisis, which means an emergency. Very good. All right, let's look at our next one. Well, I had to figure out where my vowels are, so where are my vowels? I've got an E and an E with a consonant in between. That's right. So now that it's just the vowel, consonant, vowel, where am I going to break that apart? Usually after the first vowel, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, if I cover this up, remember this is my first syllable. It doesn't have a consonant behind it because that line tells me I can't go across that line. So that E is going to be long because it's open. So it says me. Now over here I've got the E in front of the R, so I'm going to connect them. Ter, so meter. If I would have moved it, it said meter, and does meter make sense? No. Over here, what do you see? I always check my ending first, and what does it have? It's got an S, so I need to go ahead and box that off because that's not part of my word right now. That's not part of my root word. Okay, what else do you see? It's got that digraph SH, so I need to underline it because I know those two letters say sh together. What else does it have? Digraph OW, so I'm going to underline those two letters. My O is going to be long and my W is silent. Okay, so it says O. So O's. Shows. Very good. Listen to that S at the end. Shows. It makes the Z sound, so I need to make sure I put that line in it too. So I've got meter, shows, and then down here, where am I going to break apart this word? Well, I've got an I, but then look, I've got a Y at the end, and usually when that Y is at the end, a lot of times it's going to be a what? A vowel. And then I've got that consonant in between. So since there's the two consonants, I can divide it right down the middle. And now what do I have? I've got digraph TH that I can underline, and I've got that IR. That IR is a letter combination, and it says so I need to hook them together. So I have thir, and then over here, I've got T, so 30. Now, this Y is acting as a vowel. I can hear it. So I need to do what? I need to put that dot on top of it. Very good, for 30. Okay, so meter, shows, 30, and then our last word. It has an S at the end too that I need to box off. And then this should be easy. Where's my vowel? An A. It's in front of an M, so it's short, so amp. Amp, and then add the S. Amps. So meter, shows, 30 amps. Good job. All right, you guys did an awesome job. Thank you.